Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change trading password on Kucoin. But first, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. And so to start, go to your favorite web browser and then search for how to change trading password on Kucoin. And then we can see right here the answer from Kucoin.com, trading password. And then it says here that we need to log in to your Kucoin account. After that, click the avatar on the upper right corner and then select Account Security in the drop-down menu. And then select Trading Password. Set and then complete the verification. After that, it says here that you need to input a trading password. It must be a 6-digit number and then confirm it. And that's it. Check it out and try this method. If you have questions regarding this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe